Find a comfortable position and take a nice deep breath, inhaling and releasing. And for the next few breaths, we'll take nice, slow inhales through the nose, expanding the chest and the rib cage and the belly, and lowering the chest and the rib cage and the belly. Drawing the breath in so deep that you have to relax your abdominal muscles to create space. Inhaling and exhaling. And now we'll relax the breath, letting it assume its natural rhythm, progressively relaxing the body from the head all the way down to the toes. Each exhale, releasing tension from the body. Each inhale, bringing in fresh oxygen, circulating throughout the body. Everything about you feels effortless. Eyes are closed, body relaxed, mind at ease. Imagine yourself moving leisurely and comfortably. Full, calm breaths moving in and out of the lungs. Maybe feel your heart beating, steady and strong. A metronome keeping body, mind, and spirit in effortless harmony. Now you find yourself walking through a beautiful wooded area. The ground is soft. The smell of the forest floor and the trees surround you. Birds are chattering and singing. Sunlight filters through the canopy. Specks of light playing along the ground. A soft breeze moves through the air, warm and comforting. A feeling of calm settles into your being as you move deeper into the forest. You hear a soft bubbling sound as you come upon a stream moving lazily along a grassy bank. Lowering yourself into a comfortable position, you see the stream flowing and swirling. The soft water sounds continue as it moves along through the forest. A leaf is floating along the top of the water, and you follow it with your eyes as it turns lazily and reaches a bend in the stream and floats out of sight. More leaves go by, some bigger, some smaller. A thought starts to interrupt the flow, so you acknowledge it without attaching and see yourself setting it afloat on a leaf, your movements unhurried and smooth. After a while, another thought appears, and then another. You continue placing each one gently onto its own leaf. Everything around you fades into the background as your attention stays on releasing each thought into the current, silencing any judgment and watching as it's carried away, one followed by the next, sending each downstream and feeling a sweet sense of relief as it rounds the bend. Stay here as long as you like, enjoying the tranquility. After you've watched the last leaf carry its thought around the bend, you're ready to resume your walk. Slowly beginning to move and stand up, stretching, maybe yawning, feeling almost like you're moving through honey for the first few steps. Feeling warmth surround your body, a lightness in your mind and spirit. Take a moment to re-engage with your surroundings. Leaving this spot, your pace is steady, unhurried. You're taking time to breathe in the light, sounds, smells, and sensations of this place you're about to depart. Just a short distance up the stream is a small wooden footbridge. Feeling compelled to cross it, as you do, there's an awareness of moving through time. Light and colors change. Everything seems fresh and new. As you reach the end of the bridge and step down, move slowly. Observe and receive this moment fully, engaging every sense and soaking up all that the moment holds. Begin to notice your breath, observing as it moves in and out of the body. Feel the temperature of the air on your skin, the weight of gravity holding you to the earth. Gently begin to bring back physical awareness, perhaps moving fingers and toes, opening and closing hands. And whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take the next few moments to reflect on your experience. Namaste.